This video is for a subscriber of mine, I believe, Charles Ham, and he's got a bicycle, I believe, and he wants to put a dual carburetors on it. I've got a little bit of advice for that. I don't have a bicycle, but I do have the books that will lead you to where you want to go. My bike, it's just about time in my neck of the woods for the trees to turn yellow, and I'm going to put the bike away today. Anyway, these are the two books, and I'm going to put them on the bike of Mr. Ham that will really help you. One you can find pretty easily, which is, damn it, the Two-Stroke Performance Tuning by A. Graham Bell. I don't know, it's about 20 years old, maybe more. And this is the Bible right here. The Two-Stroke Tuner's Handbook by Gordon Jennings. Where's I got the Gordon Jennings at? Right with that. These will really help when you're deciding where you want to put the carburetors, what the carburetor size is compared to the intake. And by what I mean by the intake is that if we look on the other side of the bike here, all this is mathematically done by the Japanese. As far as, my bike's kind of dirty, but this carburetor in the intake up here into the engine is only so long. You can't put the carburetor like all the way back here. The volume in between the carburetor and the intake into the engine is a measured thing that you have to take care of. So anyway, these are the two best books. And as you can see, this one came out like in 1973. It was $5. Now, I paid $120 for it 10 years ago because I found one, an old one. And it is just a simple tuned length of the pipes, how the cylinder heads work, how the crank works. Everything is very simple, laid out, and they also have all the mathematics along with the bike, with the books. But if you really want to understand two-strokes and how they function, this is your best book. Like I said, it's hard to get a hold of. I don't know where you can get one. This one I think on Amazon. This is a very good book on two-stroke tuning. Everything you want to know about two-stroke bikes, as far as their fundamentals and how to change things and how changing things makes it work, these are the two that you want. Anyway, I've got to put the bike away. So I'd like to say good luck, Mr. Ham. And this is DIOSpeedDEMON signing off. Rock on!